2005 Toyota Prius. Working on the service light soon. Maintenance light keeps coming on. Actually, it's called the maintenance light. Maintenance light keeps flashing when you turn it on for a couple times and then it goes away. But we're gonna go ahead and eliminate that issue right now because the car's oil light is perfect. Watch. See it flashing? So we're gonna go ahead and show you how to remove your maintenance required light, even though it doesn't need maintenance because the oil is good, everything's good on the car. That's for the oil reset light. So we're gonna go ahead and turn off the car. We're gonna go ahead and turn it off. Okay, go ahead. You get in your car, you turn the switch 2 on. Okay, go ahead and turn on the switch 2 on. Over there it says trip on A. We're gonna go ahead and switch the settings. Right here where it says ODO, and you're gonna see it change to ODO over there. So we're gonna go ahead and push this button until it gets to the miles of the car, which is right there, ODO, miles of the car. Then what we're gonna do there is, guys, we are going, don't forget to follow and hit the like button, please. Just, if you could do that for me. So what we're gonna do is turn it off. Do not push the brake. Hold down the ODO, and at the same time, you're gonna hit the start button. It's gonna start flashing. I'm gonna set the phone down right here. Let's see if this is a good view for you guys. Hold down the ODO. Now hit the start button down. Let go. You see how it's going the menu? Look. You turn. You see what happened right there? The light came off. It started flashing, flashing, flashing. Then once it's done, that the flashing went away on the miles right there. You could let go now. So now we're gonna go ahead and turn it off. So it's very easy. We hold down the button ODO, and then you're gonna push the start button. Hold it down. You gotta push the start button twice so the switch go open. You can see it flashing. And there, you're done. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. That's how you. Now the light's gone. It's not flashing no more. You see? That's how you fix that issue. Well, mainly for car light, unknowing light. Thanks for watching, guys.